And now I'm because right now we all are just sitting at home thinking about the market, like how we are going to start our market, how to promote, how the hotel will start operating. Even like tour operators, travel agents, everyone is at the stop right now. So we all are, even you all and we all are just planning that how we can come up with some once the market will open with some good and you can say effective means by which we can attract the guests and the customers. So of course, like as a DMC, as a hotelier, unless and until we will not offer a good package or a good rate or some like lucrative offers, which is eye catching, then only we are able to, you can say, sustain in the market in the coming future. So keeping those things in mind, just we made a presentation which consists of 25 minutes of presentation, and in which I will tell you about some of the major resorts in which we are dealing with, because we have taken only top 10 resorts which we are dealing with. Along with that, keeping in mind for the to the budget travelers, we took some island hotels also. So I'm going to share my screen with you all. And after the end of the presentation, we will do a Q&A, so that if you all have any queries or even any suggestions or any questions, you can ask us. We'll try our level best to give you the best possible answer.
And about the winner, the quiz?
Yes, I'm sorry. And there will be, at the end of this presentation, we are giving a giveaway. We are going to, we can say, shoot a question in the chat box, and who will give the answer first, they will get a 3-night 4-day stay in one of our property in Hulmale with the return airport transfer, stay with us, breakfast, and full day adventure trip, which includes like a snorkeling trip, as a lunch at the sandbank, dolphin cruise. So here we go. I'm going to start the presentation.
Okay.
Just give me a moment.
So while the presentation is going, I will put everyone's mute. After the presentation finish, I will unmute everyone.
So here we go. So we in Maldives, we known as United International, and people commonly known as UI in Maldives. And here we established in the year of 2010, like with a vision to provide best possible solution to all our travel partners, to operators, and even to the guests as well. So I'm going to start my presentation. This is my first slide. So now Maldives. I'll just give you a small brief about Maldives, you all. I know that most of you know about Maldives. Even some of you knows more than me also, but like I try to make it for everyone. So for the people who don't know much about Maldives also, at least they will have also some idea about this place. So here basically Maldives consists of around 1,200 islands, in which 195 islands are inhabited islands, and there are approximately 160 resort islands here in Maldives. And there is 99% of water in Maldives, and just land is just only 1%. It's a very beautiful place, and the population here is just 350,000 people in Maldives. And one more thing I want to add, that recently, like 2 days back, we got a news from the government that the government is going to start most probably by 1st of July for the resorts, and for the local islands they are planning to open by 1st of August, if the things are going the same way which is going currently. So we are very hopeful that by July, and resorts by July and guest houses by the month of August will be started. So now I'm going to show you like types of tourism in Maldives. For sure, the first one is the most popular is a resort island, because everyone knows about Maldives, about the luxurious resorts like water villas, over water villas, beach bungalows. And there is one more new product which is basically keeping in mind the budget travelers, that is the island hotels. Like there are so many local islands in Maldives where guests can go, they can stay, they can enjoy all the services which they can enjoy in the resort at a very cost effective and at a cheaper price. Even prices will be less, like you can say 50% or 60% less than in compared with the resorts. And of course, the live boats, that is safari boats. So I'm going to show you our top 10 resorts in which we are dealing. So now resort islands. So like there is a resort island means like there is only one resort in one particular island. There will be over water bungalow, beach bungalows. There will be transfer will be by seaplane or by speedboat, depend on the distance of the resort. Some resorts provide both the transfer seaplanes and speedboat, depending on the guest choice which they want to use. There are underwater restaurants in some resorts like Conrad and Oblu. They have underwater restaurants. There is a spa and bar facility in the resorts, and of course, swimming pool, jacuzzi, and other recreation facilities like kids club. So here I'm going to tell you about our top 10 resorts, because we haven't taken much. We have taken the resorts in which we are we have dealt with in last 1 year. We are dealing, and who are giving us very good rates, and we are getting very good reviews from the guests, from the agents, because so far in these resorts, whenever we put our guests, we haven't received any complaint from our any agent, from our any travel partners, or from any of our guests. So here, this resort is Mayapushi Island Resort. This is a 4-star property, and guests can enjoy here beach bungalows, water villa, and the meal plan will be all inclusive. Guests can enjoy breakfast, lunch, dinner with unlimited drinks, and the transfer will be 20 minutes from seaplane, and the average room rate will be around $220 per person, and this rate is based on a twin sharing basis. So here, like there are souvenir shops. Basically, this is a place where guests can get everything. There are souvenir shoppings. There is a multi-restaurants are there, bar facility. They can enjoy excursions. This is Digiri Island Resort. This is also 4-star property. Here also guests can enjoy beach bungalows and water villa. Meal plan will be all inclusive. And here also the transfer will be done by seaplane. That will be 25 minutes of seaplane. And the average room rate will be $250 per person per night. That will be on twin sharing basis. This is Adran Club Ranali. Belongs to Adran Properties. This is also 4-star properties. Here also guests can enjoy beach bungalows and water villas, because as you all know, Maldives is famous for their water villas. And the meal plan here, guests can choose as per according to the requirement. Like they can choose half board, means breakfast and dinner; full board, breakfast, lunch and dinner; and all inclusive means along with all the meals, guests can enjoy unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. The transfer will be 45 minutes transfer from our Villana International Airport by speedboat, and the average room rate will be $250 per person per night. This is Cinnamon Donville. This is again a 4-star property. And in this, guests can enjoy beach bungalows, water villas, ocean suites. And here also the meal plan will be half board, is breakfast and dinner, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and breakfast, lunch, dinner with unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. The transfer will be a speedboat, which will take 20 minutes from international airport. And the average room rate will be $290 per person per night. This is again a cinnamon property, and this is a newly built property. So here, this is a 5-star property, and here guests can enjoy beach bungalows, water villa, ocean suites, and meal plan will be half board, like breakfast and dinner, breakfast full board, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and all inclusive. Breakfast, lunch, dinner with unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Airport transfer, that will be 25 minutes of seaplane, and average room rate will be $350 per person per night. This is one of other property. This is a 5-star property, other Prestige Vadu. Here guests can enjoy water villa, honeymoon villa. Here also the meal plan will be half board, full board, and all inclusive. The transfer will be just 15 minutes from the international airport, and the price will be starting from $520 per person per night. This is Pilithio Island Resort. This is a 4-star property. Here guests can enjoy beach villas, water villas, and family villa. Here also the meal plan will be half board, full board, and all inclusive. And the airport transfer will be seaplane, which takes 35 minutes from the airport. And the average room rate will be just $195 per person per night. This is a Holiday Inn Kanduma. This is again a 4-star property, which consists of beach villas, water villas, and family house. And the meal plan will be half board, full board, and all inclusive. And airport transfer will be provided by a speedboat. It will take 40 minutes, and the average room rate will be $300 per person per night. This is Amaya Kudara Resort. This is a 5-star property, and here that all the room categories are with pool, like beach villa with pool, water villas with pool, and a presidential suite. Here also guests can enjoy like half board meal, means breakfast and dinner, full board, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and dinner with unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. The airport transfer by seaplane, 25 minutes of seaplane, and the average room rate will be $375 per person per night. This is very popular among the this resort is very popular among the people, that is Paradise Island Resort. And here the guests can enjoy beach bungalows, water villas, and presidential suites. The price will be $220 per person per night, and meal plan will be guests can choose from half board, full board, and all inclusive. And the transfer will be just 10 minutes by seaplane. And even guests can choose a speedboat also here to reach Paradise. So far I told you about some of our top selling resorts which we are selling so far. Now I'm going to start talking about some local islands, so I'm going to show you. So this is very popular among the travelers, even very much popular among the travelers is Mapshi Island. It's in the Kafu atoll, and here guests can mingle with the locals also. The population here is around 2,700 people. It is 28 kilometers away from the airport, and guests can easily reach here by a speedboat. It will take around 40 to 45 minutes to reach. There is a private tourist beach. Even here, this is island where guests can have a bikini beach as well. And here there are around 30 plus guest houses plus a boutique hotel. There are souvenir shops, restaurants, and cafes are there. So here there are some properties like There are we haven't put the rate here because as of now we are negotiating the rate, but for sure the rates will be very cheap in compared with the resort. This is basically local islands is basically for the budget travelers. You can say the price will be, if you talk about the per night price, will be per person per night price will be in between $70 to $100 per person. Here the major hotels like Kani Palm Beach Hotel, there guests can get like infinity pool also with all with the sea view rooms. There will be a bikini beach is there. This is another island, Hindu Island. It's in the Bayatol, and here the population is very less. Just 52 locals are here. So this place can be treated as a like a resort island also. It is 99 kilometers away from the airport, and it is very well connected by a speedboat. It takes 90 minutes from airport. Here this is an exclusive private tourist beach. There are only just 3 guest houses are there, and guests can enjoy their manta ray, snorkeling, rose coral garden. There are restaurants and cafes, and they can do some water sports activities as well. This is a Todu Island. It's in the Ari Atoll. Here the population will be around 1,500 people, locals. It is 70 kilometers away from the airport, and it is well connected by a speedboat. It takes 60 minutes to reach this place. Here also there is a private tourist beach. There are 20 plus guest houses are there. There are agricultural land there in Todu. The restaurants and cafe. Now I'm going to talk about Hulmale. Why? Because we are located in Hulmale also, and the best part about Hulmale is here, like guests can enjoy Hulmale because Hulmale is well connected with airport. I can show you. So here you can see the pointer. This is our capital city, Male, and this is a Velana International Airport, and this is Hulmale, and it is well connected with a bridge. Here guests can easily reach here. Anyone can easily reach here by public transport or by car, by taxi. It will take just 10 minutes to reach in Hulmale. And the Hulmale, it is the place where the longest beach on a local island. There is a dedicated tourist beach is there. It is middle of the beautiful corals, and even it is the middle of the famous resort island also. There are shoppings and parks are there. There are multiple restaurants and cafes are there, and even there is a sports and activity hub is also there, like for conferences, for groups. If they want to have arrange any meeting, any conferences, there is a place where we can arrange a meeting and a conference with a capacity of approximately 300 people. So I'm going to tell you more about Hulmale. So this is a water theme park, which is upcoming water theme park. It is going to start by the end of this year, and this is the only and the first water park going to open in Maldives. This is a Central Park. Here, this place is here there is the outdoor gym is there, which guests can use free of charge. There is a yoga platform is there. Even there is a jogging track is also there. I've taken some photographs so that you all have an idea about Hulmale. This is a Central Park. This place used for photography and all. This is beach photography. And all these photographs have been taken from our photographer. This is the ocean swimming pool. This is very close to, even we have it is very close to our properties as well. This is a cultural village. This is going to here. The guests can find like multiple restaurants are there, and here this is going to open in the end of this year. And this is the Hulmale Channel Park. So here in the channel, guests can enjoy the canoeing and the boat ride as well. This is a Hulmale Phase 2. And this is youth complex in Hulmale. Here, guests can enjoy bowling if they want. They can enjoy billiards also here. And the place which I talked about for the especially for the mice and for the groups, we are arranging the conference and meetings here with the capacity of 300 people approximately. And here guests can find there is a wide variety of multi-cruise restaurants are there where guests can try multi-cuisine food, and there are very nice restaurants are also here. And even we do have our in-house restaurant as well in our place where we do serve very good Indian food, Thai food, Italian food. So now I'm going to talk about. See, we started from the from higher end, like I told you about the resorts, and of course, resort is for the like higher end customers. But keeping in mind for the budget travelers, uh, we will say that local islands like Mafushi and Todu, Hulmale is the best choice. And here in Hulmale, why we are seeing, because it is well connected by road. So basically here in Maldives, the like if people are coming, there are some resorts where the transfer charges are too high, all these stuff. But here in this local islands or in Hulmale, that can be saved. And here the price of the hotel and trips like activities and all, it's cheaper. It's very cheap in compare with the resorts. So we are selling here uh, as a package also. Like we are selling with with stay with the resort island, and just like 2 days, 2 night stay with us, and a 2 night or 1 night stay in a resort, so that guests can experience a resort also within their limited budget. So here I'm going to give you some idea about the activities which we arrange. Keeping in mind that what these are the activities which anyone can enjoy in Maldives, whether they are going to stay in a resort, if they're going to stay in any local island. But if you compare the price from the resort and here, the prices will be definitely very cheap. So now here, why we are saying that, why I'm showing you about our practice, because we are here, we are very popular as a, you can say, DMC as a tour operator. And here in our all the activities, if a guest are taking any activity from us, they are getting a public liability insurance of $1 million. And we do have a reliable and experienced guides with them. And if you check on TripAdvisor, we are on in the top ranking. And even we do receive a Matato Travel Awards as the best hotel in the Central Maldives. And we do have a very capable team who can handle big groups as well. So now the question which I'm going to start is from the upcoming slides. So here, this is our very popular trip, that is, we call it full day adventure trip. This trip, the price will be just $59 per person. And in this, the inclusions will be a boat fee. There will be lunch will be served at the sandbank, soft drink, drinking water, snorkeling gears like life jackets, uh, fins, and so these are some pictures taken during the trip. This is a guided snorkeling trip. Here, the guests can, if the guests have less time, but still they want to enjoy the snorkeling, they can go for this trip. The price will be $25 per person. And here, guests can enjoy like exploring like Coral Garden, Stingray Point, Shark Point, etc. Here, the guests can get all the like life jackets, fins, masks, complimentary from our side. This Sunset Dolphin Cruise. This is very much popular among the couples to spend the quality time together, and the price will be $35 per person. This is a private candlelight dinner setup with with set menu and cabana. The price will be $25 per person. Even guests can, if guests want to enjoy water sports adventure, water sports like a jet ski, banana ride, canoeing. So here guests can enjoy at a price of $59 per person. And the sports will be 1 hour motorized and 1 hour non-motorized. Even if guests want to go for scuba diving, they can go for. This is a PADI certified, and the price will be $95 per person. And even guest, if the guest is a non-swimmer, they can also go for this. Evening fishing. If guests want to enjoy fishing, they can go for fishing at a price of $35 per person. And if they want to include barbecue dinner, then the price will be $25 per person extra. And in this, the inclusions will be like boat charges, there will be drinking water, fishing gears will be provided, bait fish will be there to catch fishes, and return transfer from hotel to the place. Even if guests want to enjoy underwater, they can go for submarine dive, and the price will be $95 per person. And here guests can enjoy the underwater beauty for around 45 minutes in a submarine. This is the capital city, Malé. We do provide walking tour with the tour guide. Malé City to Malé City, the price will be $25 per person. And here guests can enjoy see the local market. They can go and to see the National Museum, National Library, and they can experience the basically local lifestyle, that how locals eating habits, and they can see the local fish market and all those stuff. And here this is the local island hopping, and here we are providing the visit to a two local village to explore the local lifestyle. The price will be $55 per person, and here guests can enjoy like souvenir shopping, school and mosque, local food they can enjoy. There will be surfing area, tourist beach will be there. Now, so far, if we talk about resorts, so far we talk about the resorts for the stay and for the packages and all. But here we are going to talk about the day visit to resorts. So here I'm going to tell you, here the guests can enjoy the visit to a resort. They can have their lunch there. They will get unlimited drinks there. But only thing they will not get is stay there. So stay and the dinner. Rest everything they will get, and at a very in a very cost effective manner. So this is one of the resort is Adran Hudran Fushi Resort, and the price will be $110 per person. Here guests can enjoy the inclusions will be return boat transfer, buffet lunch will be served, and the water villa area access will be there. The swimming pool access will be there. Shower facilities will be there, and definitely there will be some more resort facilities will be there. This is again Adran Prestige Wadu, and I showed you the price for the stay also to this place. And here I'm talking about the day visit to this resort. Here the guests can enjoy a day visit at a price of $135 per person, and the inclusions will be unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, return boat transfer, buffet lunch will be served, and there will be water villa area access, swimming pool access, and there are some more resort facilities will be there. This is Santarara Sushi Resort. The price will be $165 per person. And here also the inclusions will be return boat transfer, unlimited drinks, buffet lunch, water villa area access will be there, swimming pool access will be there, and some other resort facilities will be there. This is our Club Med Kani Resort. The price will be $165 per person. And here the guests can enjoy return boat transfer, unlimited drinks, buffet lunch, water villa area access will be there, swimming pool access will be there, and there are some more resort facilities will also be there. So now I'm going to show you some bundle packages. As in this, in the starting of the presentation, I told you that we do have 3 hotels in Hulumale with a capacity of 95 beds. So here I'm going to show you some packages which is very cost effective for a budget travelers. So even for all the segments, not only for the budget travelers, but we will start for the from the budget travelers, because for the resorts I already showed you the rates for the resorts. Activities I already tell you about the activities, what all activities we offer. That all the activities arranged from our side and from for the guests who are staying in Hulumale in any of our hotel or any of our like affiliate hotels, because we have a wide variety of affiliate hotels in Hulumale as well. So here I'm going to talk about stay with us plus activities, stay with us plus day visit to a resort island, stay with us and some activities with the day visit to a resort, and even stay with us and even if guests want to stay in any other local island like Mapushi, Todu, Firendu, they can go for that as well. And of course, if the guests want to stay in a resort island, they can stay there as well. So this is our very basic package. This is, we call it Maldives Adventure Pack bundle. In this, we are providing 3-night stay in one of our property in a deluxe room with return airport transfer, meet and greet service at the airport, breakfast and dinner will be provided in one of our restaurants. There will be full day adventure trip will be there, like sandbank, lunch in the sandbank, a snorkeling trip, there will be dolphin cruise, there will be beach photography and the canoe ride. And the price will be starting from just $175 per person. And imagine that by paying $175, guests can enjoy 3-night stay with breakfast and dinner with activity. And this price is not you can say finalized yet. Of course, these prices are negotiable. This is our Maldives affordable luxury package. This package also for 3-night stay in one of our property with return airport transfer, breakfast and dinner will be served. There will be honeymoon bed decoration will be provided, and full day trip to a luxury resort island where guests can enjoy buffet lunch, access to water villa zone, swimming pool access, and there are some more resort facilities. And the price is starting is $235 per person up to 5 packs. For 16 to 14 packs, $225. For 15 and above, $215 per person. This is Maldives Honeymoon Delight. This package we made keeping in mind for the honeymooners. The price will be starting from $285 per person. And here we are providing 3-night stay in a sea view room with balcony. There will be return airport transfer. Breakfast and dinner will be served. There will be honeymoon bed decoration. Honeymoon cake will be provided. There will be private trip to a sandbank. And romantic sunset cruise with the sparkling wine will be given. And at the end, the beach photography on the sandbank. So in this package we have included Crossroads. I hope most of you knows about Crossroads, because Crossroads is the first multi-integrated island, which is just 15 minutes you can say away from airport. And here you can see in the right hand side there are so many multinational restaurants and cafes are there, like Hard Rock Cafe is there, Cafe de Mar is there. There is the Sufani Jewelry Shop is there, Movenpick is there, and even there is the Hard Rock Hotel is also here. The Sky Lagoon by Hilton is here. So here we are arranging a day visit to this place also. Here guests can, first of all, the guests can stay here up to 12 hours, like 11 o'clock morning till 11 p.m. in the evening. And there guests can choose the guests can have their lunch or dinner. They can choose according to their choice. They'll get 4 hours free for unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. There will be beach and pool access, and with the locker facility will be there. And guests will get $10 retail cash voucher, and there will be 20% discount if the guests want to use take any other service from the F&B. Then they will get 20% discount on that. There are many more, but that thing is difficult to put in one slide. Detailed information. If you all have any query, want detailed information, you all can drop us an email. We will give you the detailed information. Here the price will be starting from $285 up to 5 packs, 6 to 14 packs $275, and 15 and above $265 per person. This is Maldives Privacy Island package. In this, we are providing 4-night, 5 days stay. The price will be starting from $350 per person. In this, we are providing 1 night stay in one of our property in Hulmale, and 3-night stay in a local island. And all the transportation is included in here. All the meals will be provided, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There will be snorkeling trip will be there, beach picnic will be there, snorkeling in a rose coral garden, Mantari snorkeling trip, and island tour will be there. So this is Maldives Ocean Villa package. In this package, we are providing 2-night stay in one of our property and 1 night stay in a water villa property with all the transportation, breakfast and dinner, and there will be full day adventure trip will also be included, which consists of like a lunch in the sandbank, dolphin cruise, snorkeling trip, and beach photography. The price for now, we can just give you an idea. The price will be in between $550 to $600 per person. So that's all from our side. Here you can get our contact details. Like here, our managing director, Mr. Nasi, contact details, email ID is there, my contact number, my email ID is there, and even you all can scan the barcode as well. So here, I am done from my presentation side. So if you all have any queries, any suggestion, please feel free to write to us. If you have any questions, please ask us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. And even you can scan the QR code as well. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And everyone, please request you all, please drop us an email, any of the email ID. Even you can drop an email on Mr. Nasi ID, and or you can write just your email ID with your WhatsApp or Viber number in the chat box. We will keep a note from there, and we will share this PPT, this presentation over the email. And also, if you all have any query, you can write to us anytime. We can reply you. And if you all have any query right now, also you can ask after the questionnaire, because I'm going to ask the question within 2 minutes.
Thank you so much for your time. The next will be our quiz. The quiz will be posted. The question will be posted in the chat box. You all can open the chat. Whoever answer first, since we have more people today, we will give you actually two winners. Each winner is actually for 2%. So whoever answer first and the second will get, are the winners. So Mr. Gaurav will post a question. You all can get ready, and you can ask. You can just answer. Whoever answer in our question will be about the excursion, right, Gaurav?
Yes, boss.
And then yes, as Mr. Gaurav mentioned, you all can contact us by WhatsApp, by email. And once again, thank you so much for Mata for arranging this webinar for us. And we have been working with Malaysian, some of the partners last couple of years. And I hope when the market opens, we all will be able to start the business. And yeah, maybe all can open your chat books, get ready for the quiz, and all the best. Once again, thank you so much for your time.
This is a very easy question I'm going to put.